when you will make a bevel, and the result is like this. Even though you want something like this, don't worry, I have solution for you. First you can go to object mode, then click Ctrl A. Then select scale, go back to edit mode and try bevel again. And there you go, the bevel looks better. And when you bevel the edge and the result like this, that's not a good topology. To fix that, you can press F9 and change the miter outer to arc. Alright, it's much better. If you want to create a bevel with the same size on each edge, you can use the bevel modifier. You can go to Modifier, Add Modifier, Generate, and select Bevel, and set the bevel whatever you want. If you have the topology like this, you can go to the geometry and change the miter outer to arc. Alright, that's bevel tips for this video. See you next time.